Welcome happy hookers. So I thought I would give you a short behind the scenes tour at this light is bright, isn't it? Of what I have to deal with on a daily basis when it comes to filming with the cats. This is my setup, and here she is looking like butter wouldn't melt in her mouth. But if we just pull back here, so this is where I generally do all of my filming. As you can see, I have my my overhead phone holder. I do film everything on my iPhone 11, I think it is, and then we've got my my book where I generally work. So this is where I'm working out how to do the edging around the square here, the square, which I've actually just paused halfway through to try and get this little one to go to sleep where she's supposed to be, instead of sneaking all the way over here to where I am filming. And also what I thought I would share with you for Vlogmas is, look at all of these. These have just arrived from Hobbycraft. If I can take one out to show you without them all falling out. How gorgeous are they? I really need to tease them a little bit. So I have this large one, and then I've got some taller ones, if I pull back, with some berries on, a really nice gold one with leaves to go with these lovely little Christmas trees. And I think in my drawer here, don't look at the mess, I've got some of these lovely little gold berries, these, which I'm not sure what you're supposed to do with them, because they do actually have a hole in. They are cute little trees, so maybe I'll see if I can get the glue gun out. And also these, which look like little corsages, are really cute. However, Moomin definitely, if we go over here, look at her, I bet she's looking at it like, oh, hello mummy, I would like to play with this, please, may I have this? Okay, yes, I'm going to let you have that. So yes, this is what, if I just flick you back to myself, yes, this is what I have to put up with on a daily basis when it comes to the little animals over there. As you can tell, it was definitely a hair wash day, and my own naturel. Has anyone done, what's it called, the curly girl method? Because if you've managed to do it without it looking something like Aslan from Narnia, then please do let me know. Oh, one thing I did want to show you actually, I have, I'm just about to finish up, ta-da, the Christmas tree wall hanging, having finally got the pattern so that it didn't look like a Christmas tree that was about to fall over. So I just need to, my partner's going to cut the dowel this afternoon for me. I'm going to pop that on, and then we're going to fringe it, and then I'm going to film it. So that's really exciting. So I'm going to try and get back to, without Madam here, I'm going to try and get back to obviously filming the rest of, I need to stop doing that. It's really hard. This is my first time to camera moving around. You have to realise, okay, this is where I'm supposed to be looking at you, and not to check that my hair's not doing this in the viewfinder. Anyway, that's enough for now. Bye.